Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. So today I'm here on the west side of the Las Vegas Valley, and the street right in back of us is actually called Pkwy. Now anything west of that will be Summerlin. So we are not in Summerlin right now. What's nice is that we're very close to Summerlin, just a street over. And on this side here, this is actually considered South Summerlin. Now, if you just go down this street down here, okay, you're gonna hit the 215 within like a minute. You have nothing but shopping galore. You got like the Walmart, you got the Sam's Club, I believe, and you have like all that shopping you can think about. You also have the Flamingo Road just right over here. So it's very easy access to amenities and the freeway. So today I'm here in this brand new community called Temple by Pointe. A lot of you guys love Pointe because they build these beautiful modern homes, and these are going to be more of the entry level homes where if you can't afford, you know, a $4 million modern home, you have that option here, which is really nice. So we have 3 different floor plans that you can pick and choose from, and today we're going to be focusing on plan number 1. So we have the plan 1, which is the 2261 square feet. You have plan 1 is 2261 square feet. Plan 2 is 2424 square feet. Then there's also plan 3, but it's not modeled, and that is 2877 square feet. Now, along this road right here, they're going to be more of the smaller homes, but what you'll notice across the street here on this side, they're going to be more wider lots. Okay, so you're probably going to be fitting the 2877 model on that. Now, you have 3 different elevations to pick and choose from for this model. So we have the desert traditional, and that's what this is right here, which is really nice. I do love the stonework. I love the controlled joints that they use as far as aesthetics and the color blocking as well. Then we have the modern style and desert modern style. The desert modern style is pretty cool. Matter of fact, you know, I think I made a mistake. I am confused as far as the styles. I believe this one is the desert modern. I could be wrong. I get confused between the desert traditional and desert modern. But anyway, the price difference from elevations A, B, C, right? It's $567,000, and then $564,000. Then we have $573,000, and that's the base price. Now, with this builder here at this track, you're not going to have too much structural options that you can pick and choose from. I'm going to go over that. Now this one right here, this is located on the side. We do side of the house. I'm sorry. The home is located on the corner of the lot. In the side of the house, as you can see, we have a pool. Okay. It does come with the pavers here. Really nice. This is technically an office, but, well, technically it is a 2-car garage, but it's utilized as an office. So keep that in mind. Love the stonework here. One thing that you need to look out for with this type of stone, you may want to seal the stonework. However, if you do seal the stone, you will have some sort of discoloration as far as that semi-gloss look. But you don't want that calcium build out as well. So it's a case by case. This front door entry is an upgrade. Now this is very unique as far as entering into the home. As you can see, the hallways are a lot wider than expected, right? Which is really nice. I'm gonna just walk you straight back here, so that way you guys can get an idea of what this thing really looks like. So as you walk in, it's completely just nice and open. You already know the flooring is an upgrade. These are LVP flooring. It's probably gonna be about $13,000 for the flooring. So let's start here from the beginning. So one thing that I've noticed is that we have the upgraded on the glass door, but then right above us, you have a beautiful option for pre-wire for that chandelier. Then we have our loft area up here, which is really nice. Now this is a 3 bedrooms and does have a loft total 2.5 baths, okay? So here is the bathroom, half bath, for your guests when they do come over. Now on this spec right here, as you can see, there's a cabinet. However, it does come standard with the pedestal sink. Upgraded faucet fixtures, as you can see. I mean, everything here will be an upgrade. Just imagine just the drywall. Other than that, 6/8 on the door. We have a single panel door, upgraded on the beautiful hardware here, modern style with the matte black. As you can see, this is just your coat closet. Here is our entry point into the 2-car garage, and it does come with a tankless water heater as well. Now let's take a look at the island. So with the island, a couple of things. I believe it comes with the birch cabinets, 42 uppers, okay? Now these are the full overlay European cabinets. This would be an upgrade, so as the hardware with the built-in refrigerator and the 3 pendant lighting. Here we have a nice 1-inch front face on the quartz countertops. We have cafe appliances here with the cafe appliances. This is their upgraded brand, high-end brand to Kenmore, okay? In addition, we have a $1,300 Blanca sink and Delta fixtures. What you'll know, some builders are contracted with third-party companies. So this builder is contracted with Delta. If you went with, you know, KB Homes, or if you went with Toll Brothers, it would be Moen, okay? Here we have our oven. Let's take a look at this oven here. Love this. Connected through Wi-Fi. You can already heat everything up. You got your convection. So we got some additional cabinets, which is really nice. You got some lighting underneath. These are some LED lights. Let's take a look at that. You got your prep station here, it looks like. Then coming into the pantry area. Anything behind the door? Yes. So we have some things behind the door. Okay. Not bad. Also, one thing I gotta do is really apologize. Oh my gosh. I have to apologize to you guys because I have not had the time to do video home tours. And literally, I'm stumbling over my words right now, which is kind of crazy. Okay, so we have electric cook countertops. I think this is a nice feature to have. You can literally do like instant boil. These things get really hot. And some of these, believe it or not, you could touch it, it will not burn you. So I think this is just very streamlined and cool. But I know a lot of you Asians out there love to cook with gas. I'm Asian. I know what you're talking about, you know, using that wok. So like from here to here, you don't get those cabinets, okay? That would be an additional, but however, I think that's a great upgrade. Also with these beautiful slides too, just due to the fact that you do bring in a lot of light. However, we cannot go outside because there is a pool outside, and that's just more for liability purposes. But as you can see on the outside, as small as this setback is, it's probably less than like 10, I'm gonna say probably 15 feet, right? It gives you an idea. At least you can do something to your backyard so you're not stuck. So over here, what do we got here? We've got our Sunrise. So these are the companies that installed the AC unit. Then we have the alarm and the doorbell right there. Okay. Looks like these were actually pre-wired for your surround sounds. You've got 4 inches straight edge on the baseboard, orange peel texture, straight edge cornering. Okay. This banister here is an upgrade, and they added flooring to the stairs, which is really nice. All right, let's make our way upstairs. So as we come up, so you got some windows there, another window there, another one right here. The only thing about these color blocking with these darker colors, it's hard to like do a straight line because of the orange peel. The only way to do that is to actually use tape, make it straight. Upgraded on the double sink here too as well. Then what do we have? Our tub shower combo with the Delta fixtures. Then I'm show you guys something very happy. Look at this. Got the new Lambo hat. You know what that means, right guys? Hint, hint. Alright. So as we come up here, what do we got? We've got the loft, so it's got 1, 2. Okay, so this would be the third bedroom, right, over here. So where do we start? Matter of fact, you know what? Let's just start on this side here. We'll wrap all the way around. So we have a queen size bed. With the queen size bed, you have about probably 4 feet on each side, which is really nice. I love the fact that we have these 2 corner windows right here. Again, I love the dimensions of the home, the layout of the home. Even though it's a square box, they did a really good job as far as bringing in a lot of light. Now the ceilings are pretty high here. So these are 9-foot ceilings. Coming into the laundry room. Front load washer and dryer is the worst you can get. I would not get it. Optional upgrade on the cabinets here and also with the sink as well. Then we have our smart panel box. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got the Smurf tube. We got a couple Cat 6. Okay. 2 power outlets. So this box is about 180 bucks. Love the loft here. Love what they did. So I'm gonna sit down, kind of give you a perspective of how it kind of looks. Now this is something later on down the line that you guys can actually do. Now there's a company that I deal with. It's called Closets Las Vegas. Contact my girl Pat. You guys probably seen those commercials on the LB Home Experts podcast every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where we talk about real estate and financing and just what's going on with the Las Vegas housing market. So let's take a look at here. We got an office. Technically this is just a room. Let's see outside. What do we got right here? So just right there, Summerlin. That's a Lennar over there. All right. Pretty decent sized room. Also, if you guys want more information about this, please reach on out to our sales office. I have a number or a contact number in the description below. We'll get you all the information that you need. We have a wider entry door here, which is really nice. One thing about Vegas, it does get a little bit dusty, so you do get dust all along the tracks on the slides and the sliding glass door. So always make sure to clean your tracks out, okay? Looks like they upgraded this door here. This is definitely an option. Now let's go take a look at the bathroom. What do we got here? Love the fiberglass tub shower here. Not bad. I mean, a little bit pricey for my price point. Second thermostat here, so it's probably a dual zone. Something you all need to figure out. I can't go outside, so I won't know. Now, if you guys are interested in this track, just give us a call. We definitely love the opportunity to earn your business. Also, another thing, if you are planning on selling your home here in Las Vegas, we can actually help and sell your home faster than any other real estate agent out here in Las Vegas. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.